man. That's like crazy. You could write your shopping list on here.
Yeah, here. There.
You can see what happened at last summer's vacation. You can write, I hate this. Why would somebody write, well, I hate this?
know.
Erase that.
Yes.
That's not very nice.
No.
Who did that? Look at this thing. It has like multiple, what,
That's the freezer.
crisper?
Or is that just a refrigerator?
More crispers? In case you really like lettuce.
It's all refrigerator.
Another crisper. A water filter. Oh my gosh, Mom. What do you think this is, like $10,000?
Probably. There's no price on it.
Oh wait. $4,000.
Yeah.
But marked down from $4,500.